Hi everyone, this is ICOOH Andy. Today we'll be upgrading this BMW F22 again. So let's see how it's upgraded. The front will be upgraded our ICOOH latest design, the DM53 series with the carbon ceramic brake disc 355mm. And you can see this is the old brake system. It's our ICOOH IC5 with the 355mm brake disc, but it's the steel brake disc. And now we'll be upgraded to our ICOOH carbon ceramic brake disc kit to increase the braking performance and less the weight. And the rear wheels will be upgraded our ICOOH IC4 new design, the 4-piston for the rear wheels. Cannot waiting, will be installed this carbon ceramic disc kit and then use on the circuit. So let's do it right now.